Go on the next payment gateway, and I think this is the last payment gateway, and this is the Razorpay payment gateway. It's a really very popular payment gateway for the India, and I'll talk about some of the other features and some cases. Its dashboard is quite easy and good to they have a good team, and then they have a proper support on this, and document verifications and all are really good. It's not bad as like PayU monies and all. Easily you can submit your documents, and they are also providing options, everything is online, no need to sign any papers physically. Again, you have to scan, or you have to send a post and all, or you have to send a mail for that. No, they have a the set of wizards are there on the payment gateways. Razorpay account, whenever you'll click on the sign up, they will take a time, certain time will be there. You'll have to fill the details, and then there will be option for the KYC. Either you can do that time, or that time itself, or you can do the later, and then your documentation and verification and all will be done. And now we'll access to all. I will see about the other some other payment points. So access to all payment modes including credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, popular wallets, and including JioMoney wallets are there, JioMoney, MobileWiki, PayU Money. So again, this is almost all the wallets it's supporting. So okay, fine. So let's talk about the features. What is the features and service charge of this? So service charge, setup fee is 0, annual maintenance charge is 0 again, 2% plus 18% GST on all payment mode. So clearly mentioned, there is no variant on debit card or UPI and all. For the whatever payment modes your customer is going to be used, the service charge will be 2% plus 18% GST, and the international again 3%, and plus there is no plus amount and all, 18% GST. It's a quite good and reasonable price. You can say that if you are looking another good payment gateway, so you can go for the Razorpay, and is the basis of service charges. Okay, as even this payment gateway also don't fix any minimum business amount, like you must have a business of 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees annual or monthly and all. No, they don't have any kind of limits and all minimum requirement. So let's talk about the some features of this payment gateway, and let me set up. Okay, if you want to receive payment gateway from international cards or from the international countries, so other countries, so in that case we have to talk to their team. Again, you have to take the approval, which is little bit longer time. It will take some week time, 1 week time, or bank approval, something is there in that case. But if you are your business, you are launching a business on India basis, so in that case it's fine. I'll tell you, it's good to, even I suggest so many of my clients, I have suggested to use the Razorpay because it's quite easy and much comfortable, very much flexible and comfortable. So it's fine for us if you are launching business, it's fine for you if you are launching your business in India. Okay, so withdrawal fee is 0 again, so there won't be any withdrawal fee. Settlement days is 3 days. Again, this is lesser than Paytm and lesser than what we call Cashfree. Cashfree is still now, whatever payment gateway we have talked about, that's the fastest settlement date, as they have also claimed 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so settlement day is 3 days. Available chat support and IVR. I don't know what is this IVR in something, but even I am not sure about the call. They are giving option to call, but I have tried so many times. Okay, documentation required. Yeah, you need to have a document for the payment gateway setup, and they are also providing. Razorpay also provides to set up personal account as well as the business account. So no need to worry about that. It has the option. Okay. So okay, fine. So this is one thing, and and then another thing is supports Meta. Again, Razorpay also provide the plugin for WooCommerce, Magento, CS Cart. I don't know what is the CS Cart. OpenCart is there, Shopify, WSCMS, WordPress and all. So they also provide a pre-built plugin. So easily you can download plugin from their official websites and you can use in your website. Okay. So fine. So this is the last payment gateway, and we have discussed about that all. So now I have one more slide where I'm discussing all the all this comparison. So you can watch my next video on this, and where I will explain complete comparison about the payment gateways